Ever wish you could bring your characters to life that much more, with expressive, animated mouths? Today, we're going to demystify breaking apart those grouped lips in Adobe Animate, allowing you to animate them individually for perfect lip syncing. Let's dive in first. Open up your Adobe Animate project and select the artwork where your character's mouth is. You ideally have a head drawn with lips as a group. Now, select the group of lips on your timeline or the layer where they are placed by clicking on them. Next, with your lips selected, right-click to bring up the menu options. Now find the option called Break Apart, usually located somewhere near the top of the menu. When you select it, it will separate the group into single drawings of the lips. Once you break apart the lips, you'll notice you can now click and select the individual upper and lower lips. This gives you the flexibility to manipulate and animate each lip separately. This is crucial for creating natural-looking mouth movements and perfect lip sync animations. You can now animate the lips. Create your animation by using the keyframe function and animating the upper and lower lip individually by changing size and shape to create the desired look of the open and closed of the mouth. And that's it. You've successfully broken apart your grouped lips in Adobe Animate. Practice and experiment by animating your lips group and see how expressive they can become. Now go animate.